Hello everyone. My warm wishes to the current students of IAS Gurukul, which is a reputed institute for sociology. And I'm Gamini Singla, and I've secured rank 3 in the Civil Services Examination 2021. And my optional was sociology. And my marks in sociology this year are 287, which are pretty fine, I think. So I'll be here telling you about the strategy and how good a subject sociology can turn out to be. So first of all, I think sociology is a very rewarding optional, and the syllabus is very concise, and if you have the conceptual clarity really very well, you can ace through it. So I mentioned about the conceptual clarity because in a subject like sociology, sometimes we think that just cramming the thinkers becomes very important. But I think unless and until you understand the concepts very well, you cannot get through it. So even if you are attending the online lectures with IAS Gurukul, or you are attending the offline classes, make sure that you approach Pranay Aggarwal sir again and again for clearing your doubts. And any concepts that you feel are not clear, just do not worry about this time, just go ahead and ask your doubts very, very well. And the second thing that is very important and that helped me ace the exam was answer writing. And a lot of practice must be given before you actually enter the examination hall. And even more important than that is evaluation of the answers. So firstly, you self-evaluate your answers because you are your best judge. And secondly, when your answer sheet is evaluated by Pranay sir, then you should go back to him and understand that why the marks were given less in a particular portion and what made you score very well in the other one. So I always made sure that my doubts are clear whenever I write a test, because otherwise there is no particular purpose of writing the test if you do not know what to improve in the next time. And then also study the improvement levels that you are doing with the answer sheets. And the third thing that is very important, I think, and people tend to neglect, is the kind of standard books that you follow. So I followed a lot of material and then made myself notes, in which I also incorporated the notes from the online notes of IAS Gurukul, and standard books like Harry Lambers, Ritzer, B.K. Nagla sir, and even some portions of the rural sociology book by A.R. Desai sir. I think in an optional subject, a lot of sources needs to be looked at, and then you arrive at very comprehensive notes of yours. Apart from that, what made a very important role in my journey was newspaper reading, because current affairs become very, very important, and my father played a very important role there. So he used to mark the newspapers for me, but as sociology was very new to him, so he even took guidance from Pranay sir about how to analyze an article from the sociological point of view, and which portions become important for sociology a lot. And I think that helped me a lot to save my time, to clear my doubts, and to know what can make an answer very sociological. So my good wishes to all the students: just keep working hard and stay patient, and give and dedicate equal and good enough time to sociology. So very warm wishes, and I hope to see some of you next time in the list. So thank you IAS Gurukul and sir